A day after the United National General Assembly passed a resolution asking the International Court of Justice for its opinion on legal consequences of Israel's occupation of the Palestinian territories, Benjamin Netanyahu accused the global body of distorting historical facts. In a video message, the Israeli Prime Minister called the United Nations decision despicable and said that his country was not bound by it. The United Nations General Assembly vote has come as a challenge to Netanyahu, who took oath as the head of his government just last week. Netanyahu's coalition government has set settlement expansion as a priority in their agenda. His coalition government includes parties who want to annex the West Bank.
כמו מאות ההחלטות המעוותות נגד ישראל שהתקבלו בעצרת הכללית של האו"ם במהלך השנים, כמה ההחלטה הבזויה שהתקבלה היום לא תחייב את ממשלת ישראל. העם היהודי אינו כובש בארצו ואינו כובש בבירתנו הנצחית ירושלים, ושום החלטה של האו"ם לא תעוות אמת היסטורית זו.
On Friday, the United Nations General Assembly resolution called on the Hague-based International Court of Justice to render urgently an advisory opinion on Israel's prolonged occupation, settlement and annexation of Palestinian territory. The vote also called for an investigation into Israeli measures aimed at altering the demographic composition, character and status of the holy city of Jerusalem, and said Israel has adopted discriminatory legislation and measures. The Palestinians welcomed the United Nations resolution in which 87 members voted in favor of adopting the request, while Israel, the United States and 24 other members voted against it. Israel captured the West Bank, Gaza and East Jerusalem in a 1967 war. It withdrew from Gaza in 2005, but along with neighboring Egypt, controls the enclave's borders. The hardline group Hamas took over Gaza in 2007 after a brief civil war with more moderate Palestinian rivals. Hamas and Israel have since fought 3 Gaza wars. Israel considers the West Bank to be disputed territory and has built dozens of settlements that are now home to roughly 500,000 Jewish settlers. The ICJ last issued an advisory opinion on the conflict in 2004. When it ruled that an Israeli separation barrier was illegal. Israel had rejected that ruling, accusing the court of being politically motivated. The International Court of Justice is a top United Nations court dealing with disputes between states. Its rulings are binding, though the ICJ has no power to enforce those rulings. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.